This is an update on the Indian Army and Indian Air Force's Harsil Dharali rescue operations. Despite adverse weather and inhospitable terrain, in complete synergy with civil administration, Indian Air Force, NDME, ITBP, the Indian Army has intensified the joint relief operations. Certain key aspects: as the first responders, our infantry battalion at Harsil reacted under the commanding officer in 15 minutes of the incident. This was despite few of our personnels themselves being affected. Since then, additional columns have been deployed. Our special forces from Agra in AN-32 and C-295 aircraft have been flown. Medical personnel with all required equipment and accessories have been moved. The engineers have moved specialized equipment, and engineer task forces have been deployed, including with the BRO, with efforts to clear the communication lines. Special equipment and technological gadgets to include ground penetrating radars, employment of drones, logistic drones, and the types is being ensured. Search and rescue dogs have been inducted, including by airlifting them. The rations are being airdropped for relief to the locals and the stranded tourists. The route opening is being carried out. The Indian Army, Army Aviation and the IF in complete synergy are undertaking sorties through Chinooks, Mi-17s, ALH and our Cheetah platform. Our signalers are ensuring restoration of communications, for which satellite phones have been provisioned, and satellite-based web terminal to enable internet connection in the proximity of the affected area is being carried out. Casualty evacuation is being carried out. Indian Army has established joint control rooms at Dehradun, Joshimath, and now fully operational at Harsil Dharali itself. Wish to also highlight that General Sengupta, the General Officer commanding Central Command, despite the adverse conditions, could manage to reach out at Harsil and Dharali on 6th itself for overseeing the rescue operations. We are committed to round-the-clock operations on war footing to provide all requisite assistance. मैं आश्वासन दिलाना चाहता हूं कि हर प्रकार के रिलीफ ऑपरेशंस को पूरा किया जाएगा और इसमें सेना और इंडियन एयरफोर्स का सभी एजेंसीज के साथ मिलकर प्रयास जारी है। जय हिंद।